Today I am reviewing the DOOGEE T36 12-inch tablet with keyboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The DOOGEE T36 12-inch tablet with keyboard is a powerful and versatile large-screen Android tablet designed for users who want a single device that can handle work, entertainment, gaming, and everyday productivity with ease. With its modern hardware, generous memory configuration, bundled accessories, and large high-refresh display, the T36 positions itself as a strong alternative to traditional laptops and smaller tablets, especially for users looking for value and flexibility. One of the standout features of the DOOGEE T36 is that it runs on the latest Android 15 operating system. Android 15 brings improved performance optimization, enhanced privacy controls, smoother animations, and better multitasking behavior compared to previous versions. This ensures the tablet feels modern, responsive, and future-ready. Combined with Android's extensive app ecosystem, the T36 can easily switch between productivity apps, streaming platforms, social media, and games without friction. Powering the tablet is the UNISOC T620 octa-core processor, which is designed to balance performance and energy efficiency. For daily tasks such as browsing the web, watching videos, online classes, document editing, and multitasking between apps, the performance is smooth and consistent. The octa-core architecture allows the tablet to handle multiple processes at once, making it well-suited for users who like to keep several apps open at the same time. Casual and mid-level gaming also runs well, especially when paired with the tablet's high refresh rate display. The 12-inch IPS display is one of the biggest highlights of the DOOGEE T36. With a full HD plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, the screen delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and fluid motion. Whether you're scrolling through websites, watching movies, or playing games, the higher refresh rate makes everything feel smoother and more responsive. The large screen size is excellent for split-screen multitasking, reading, video editing previews, and immersive entertainment. For streaming lovers, the tablet's Widevine L1 certification is a major advantage. This means you can watch content from platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and other streaming services in full 1080p high definition, rather than being limited to lower resolutions. Movies and TV shows look crisp, detailed, and immersive, especially on the large 12-inch display. Battery life is another strong point. The 8,800 mAh battery provides long-lasting power that can easily get through a full day of mixed usage. Whether you're attending online meetings, watching videos, browsing, or taking notes, the tablet is designed to last for extended sessions without constantly needing to be recharged. This makes it suitable for students, travelers, and professionals who need a reliable device throughout the day. Memory and storage are where the DOOGEE T36 truly stands out in its category. The tablet features 32 GB of RAM, made up of 8 GB physical RAM plus 24 GB virtual RAM, allowing for extremely smooth multitasking. Apps stay open longer in the background, switching between tasks feels instant, and overall system responsiveness remains strong even under heavier workloads. On the storage side, you get 256 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for apps, games, videos, and documents. Additionally, the tablet supports expandable storage up to 2 TB via microSD, giving you massive space for media files and offline content. Connectivity is another area where the DOOGEE T36 excels. It supports dual SIM 4G LTE, allowing you to use mobile data and even make calls directly from the tablet. Perfect for users who want constant internet access without relying on Wi-Fi. It also includes dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, for fast and stable wireless connections at home or in public spaces. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures reliable connections to wireless headphones, speakers, keyboards, and other accessories. Built-in GPS support, including systems like GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, and Galileo, makes the tablet useful for navigation and travel applications. One of the most appealing aspects of this tablet is the all-in-one accessory package. The DOOGEE T36 comes with a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, stylus pen, protective case, screen protector, and charger right in the box. This transforms the tablet into a laptop-like experience, especially with PC mode, which allows for more desktop-style multitasking. For students, writers, and professionals, this setup is ideal for note-taking, document editing, emails, and presentations without needing additional purchases. In terms of design, the tablet features a sleek metal body with a slim 7.9 mm thickness and a weight of around 610 grams. Despite its large size, it remains comfortable to hold and easy to carry in a backpack or bag. The premium finish gives it a durable, high-quality feel, while the minimalist design keeps it professional and modern. Overall, The DOOGEE T36 12-inch Android 15 tablet is an impressive all-rounder that delivers excellent value. It combines a large, smooth display, long battery life, massive memory and storage, strong connectivity options, and a complete accessory bundle into one affordable package. Whether you're a student, professional, casual gamer, or media enthusiast, this tablet offers a powerful and flexible experience that can replace or complement a laptop for many everyday tasks. For anyone looking for a large-screen Android tablet with productivity features and strong multimedia performance, the DOOGEE T36 is a very compelling choice.